Hello students, welcome back. This is Dr. Mercado speaking. I hope all of you had a great week number 11. We did have that short semester break last week where the college was closed Thursday through Sunday. So I hope that you regain some energy, recharge, because we are almost at the end of the semester, so we need to make sure that we finish strong. Okay, this is Accounting 1303, Introduction to Accounting 1, and this is for both sections V01 and V02. Okay, now during this week we are going to be completing a project. Okay, we're not going to have any lectures dealing with problems or content for a specific chapter. Rather, we're going to be completing a comprehensive project over chapters 1 through 6, okay, which deal with the entire accounting cycle. Okay, so that is what's going to be going down week number 12. You're going to have the entire week to complete this project. During this week, let me go ahead and transition over to what we need to do. Okay, so we have this comprehensive accounting cycle project that is worth 100 points. That is 10% of your overall grade. And you have the entire week all the way up to Sunday, April 11th at 11 p.m. to complete it. Okay, the problem is long. Okay. Depending on how familiar you are with the chapters 1 through 6 is how quickly you're going to get through the project. Okay, I've had students finish the project in 1.5 hours. I've had students take 12 hours. Okay, it just depends on the student, how familiar you are, how comfortable you are with the information to be able to complete it. So I'm not going to say it's going to take you 2 or 3 hours. Do not plan on it taking you 2 to 3 hours, okay? Plan on it taking you 8 to 10 hours, okay? That way you can schedule your time during the week. If you finish sooner, well, excellent. But if you didn't, you still have that time allotted within your calendar or your schedule to be able to complete the project. The project is very important, okay? Why? Because it covers the entire accounting cycle, which is one of our course learning objectives, okay? We need to learn how to complete the entire accounting cycle. So, that being said, you have the entire week to complete it. Now, I've noticed that some students are not doing very well. Okay, some students have missed a couple of assignments or have not performed very well in a couple of assignments. So this week, because you do have just one assignment available to you, I went ahead and I created an optional extra credit assignment. Now, this is optional. You don't have to take it, but I recommend you do. Okay. I have a lot of students come to me the last week of the semester. Miss, can I have extra credit? Can I have extra points? The answer is no. Okay. If you need something, you contact me during the week. Okay. Or during the semester. If something happened in your life where you couldn't complete an assignment, then you contact me that week or the week after and we'll figure something out. But don't come to me the last week of the semester and you are very failing my class and you want extra credit assignments. It doesn't work that way. So to help out those students that need some extra points, I went ahead and I created this optional extra credit assignment worth 30 points. So that's pretty good. Now the extra credit assignment is comprised of 2 problems, okay? Each problem is worth 15 points. You can earn up to a maximum of 30 points, but you can earn partial points, okay? You don't have to earn the 30 points. You can earn 15 points, 12 points, 20 points, whatever is it that you make, and those are going to be added to your total overall grade. So what does that mean? Okay, so let's say it's the end of the semester, and before, this extra credit assignment, you had 785 points, okay? So you had 785 points, okay? And then you had completed this optional extra credit assignment and you had earned 20 points. Okay. So what I do is I add those 20 points to your 785 existing points, which 785 gives you a C in the class. By me adding those 20 extra points, that's going to take you to 805 points, which will give you a B in the class, okay? So you would go from getting a C to getting a B just for completing one extra assignment here, okay? So to me, whenever my instructors would give me extra credit assignments, whether I needed them or not, I would take advantage because I don't know what tomorrow awaits. Maybe, next week I'm not going to be able to complete a homework or a quiz, or I don't do very well in a test. These are 30 points that I have in my pocket that I can use at the end of the semester. Okay, so I highly encourage everybody to complete this optional extra credit assignment, and you can earn partial points, like I said, and it would also help to reinforce the content within the chapters. Okay. Okay, so now let me jump over to Blackboard, okay? Whether you're taking my V01 or my V02 section, my courses in Blackboard for those two classes are the same. So let me go to week number 12, okay? So week number 12, when you log in into week number 12, you're going to see information about the project. The project is due on Sunday, April the 11th. Okay, and the comprehensive problem basically ties all of the content covered from chapters 1 through 6 so students can complete and understand the entire accounting cycle for a company. Okay, students will employ everything that they have learned to be able to complete the following. You're going to enter transactions in a journal. You're going to enter transactions in a general ledger. You're going to prepare a trial balance. You're going to complete a worksheet. You're going to journalize adjusting entries. You're going to post the adjusting entries to the general ledger. You're going to prepare the income statement, the statement of owner's equity, and the balance sheet, those three financial statements. You're going to journalize the closing entries. You're going to prepare or post the closing entries to the general ledger. Then you're going to prepare a post-closing trial balance. Okay, this is a cumulative project. It is a lot of stuff that you have to do for a company. This is like if you were working in an actual business, okay? Students should anticipate spending about 3 to 4 hours to complete this problem. This is if you're kind of like an expert on it. If you're not, if you're going to have to go back and refer to your notes and to your book, anticipate spending 8 to 10 hours, okay? So plan accordingly, okay? This is not something that you're going to get done in an hour, okay? This is a long problem. Okay, that's why it's worth 100 points. Okay, so the content covered in the comprehensive project will cover the below course learning outcome, which is to complete the entire accounting cycle. We need to be able to complete the accounting cycle before we leave this class. Okay, the accounting cycle project is due on Sunday at 11 p.m. And we also have that extra credit assignment that is optional, also due on Sunday at 11 p.m. So this week you have the potential of earning 130 points, 100 from your project, 30 for that extra credit assignment. Now the accounting cycle project is broken down into 3 parts. You need to complete them in order, in sequential order. First you complete part A, then you complete part B, and then last but not least you complete part C. It has to be in sequential order. If not, you're not going to be able to complete it. You have to complete the first part to move on to the next part, and then part B to be able to complete part C. Okay, so these are the 3 parts for the accounting cycle project, and then you have your extra credit assignment there that you can, the link, so you can be able to complete that extra credit assignment, which is worth 30 points. Okay, please, you have 2 attempts on both of the assignments for this week. If you do not score a 70% or better on your comprehensive problem, please utilize the second attempt to try to improve your overall standing in the class. Okay. This is a comprehensive project. You can use your ebook, you can use your past notes, look at your homework problems. Please try to apply everything that has been learned, because this is how the function of an accountant is in the real world scenario. This is what you're going to be looking at doing from beginning to end. So you need to know how to be able to do all of these processes to be able to complete the accounting cycle. Okay. So that's what's going to be going down for week number 12. Okay. If you have any questions, concerns, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will not be giving you the answers. If you have a question, I need the specific question and the specific part of the problem you're having issues, along with your attempted solution. Okay. I don't want you to tell me, well, miss, I'm lost. I don't know how to prepare adjusting entries. Well, you need to go back to the chapter that covers adjusting entries, reread it, review the problems that you had for homework, look at my videos that I uploaded into Blackboard. Okay, don't just give up and say, well, I don't know how this is done. You need to learn to go back and refer to your resources to be able to complete the assignment. If after you've read and you've analyzed all of the information, you still have questions, send me a screenshot of the specific area that you're having issues with. And once again, I want to see what you're doing. Okay, so I can be able to redirect you and guide you. I'm not going to just give you the answer. Okay, so that's going to be going down week number 12. I hope all of you have a great week. Please schedule enough time during your week to complete the problem. Remember, I'm available Monday through Friday for questions. I don't guarantee I will respond to inquiries during the weekend, okay? Especially because this weekend I am not going to be in town. So make sure that if you have questions, you try to get with me Monday through Friday, okay? So I want to wish you all the best of luck. I know you've got this. You've been doing excellent on your prior assignments. Give it your best. And like I said, you have 2 tries. If you don't do very well on the first one, then take the second attempt to try to improve your overall standing in the course. Okay? So that is it. Have a wonderful week. And until next time, thank you.